bread, salami, bell peppers, banana peppers, of course, and cabbage. And you're gonna need that chipotle ranch, and we're just, onion, but chopped, not diced, yikes. We're gonna add that salami because we need meat and protein in our bodies. And yeah, just 3 should do the trick. We're gonna sprinkle that cabbage because it's cheaper than lettuce for that bold, crunchy texture and summer heat that we crave. And we're gonna add the mild banana peppers for that extra spicy kick. Sprinkle the accidentally diced onions that were supposed to be chopped. Add that chipotle ranch for a fiery kick. Boom, bada ba. And then we're gonna try to attempt to wrap it in foil, even though I've never worked at a Subway restaurant before. Disclaimer, I've worked at other restaurants, but not Subway. We're gonna go ahead and pack that sandwich for lunch with the Hershey brownie, because it's good. Free trail mix and Gatorade, given from a DoorDash customer, thank you. And put that ice pack in there that I got from Daiso, and you're all set to go with a lunch for work to keep you cold all day.